Hey guys, what's up? It's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming something really exciting. I have here the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I have heard so many great things about this product and I've always wanted to try it. I just never got around to buying it, but my boyfriend ended up surprising me with this and it came in the mail today. So yeah, I decided maybe I should just film a review. I hate doing my hair. As you can see, I will only do my hair if I absolutely have to. I don't even like brushing it really. But I don't know, hair is just one of those things that's like, I don't know, I just hate doing it and it's too much work. I'm not that great at it, which is why I mainly just blow dry my hair and leave it be. I wear it straight most of the time. If not, I curl it, but when I curl it, I do like the easiest curl you can do. So yeah, I'm excited to try this because everybody says that it cuts your hair drying time in like half or something like that. Not that it takes me forever to blow dry my hair, it's just that I hate doing it and I get really hot. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I have watched a few reviews on it. There are some mixed reviews about it, but overall I think it is like an amazing tool to use. So let's go ahead and open this and read the directions. Crap, I don't have scissors. I really hope this works. Usually I can blow dry my hair straight, and that's usually what I do. I very rarely straighten my hair anymore. But if this thing does both of the jobs, that is gonna be amazing. All right, I got it open here. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. Holy crap. All right, I have the directions here and I really need to read it real quick because I know if I try it without the directions and I don't do it right, I'm gonna hate it and never try it again. So I'm just not gonna set myself up for failure this time. And where the hell are the directions?
What's on my mind? What's up? I've been calling you. It seems like I can't get to you. Thought I was good, yet I'm feeling blue. Feels like I'm alone in this game.
Am I dumb?
First of all, you're stupid.
Are these not the directions? These are just safety instructions. I feel like they should have the directions on here. Oh, I found it. Okay, styling tips. For faster results, towel dry hair to remove any excess. Oh right, my hair is supposed to be damp. I already showered this morning and my hair is air dried now. I guess I'll dampen my hair again. Okay, anyway.
Plug the appliance into the electric outlet and adjust the switch to the selected setting. Use the low setting on fine or thin hair, which is me, and the high setting on thick and coarse hair. Use the cool setting to lock in the style.
Okay, where are the settings on here? Oh, I see. Okay, so the settings are right here. So I guess you just twist this to get your desired setting. All right, it sounds pretty easy, hopefully. Watch me not even do it right, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and I'm gonna go dampen my hair and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just dampened my hair again. And I'm so excited to use this. Oh my god, I didn't clean my brush, I'm sorry. Don't judge me, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and comb out my hair and make sure there are no tangles. And then I guess I'm gonna section my hair off. I guess I'll section it the same way I do when I straighten my hair, which is like this. Where's my hair tie? Oh my god. Oh, hold on. Ugh, I'm so dumb. I am gonna do, let me do my left side of my hair first, and then I'll do my right side. So I think I'm gonna go for the voluminous thing. I don't know, because my hair is very thin and lacks a lot of volume. So also, by the way, just a first impression, this thing is freaking huge and it weighs like 10 pounds. Maybe like a pound or two, but like this is so heavy and it's huge. Like, how are you gonna travel with this thing? I don't know. It's gonna take up half your luggage. But anyway, how do you turn this thing on? Does it have a power button? I'm putting it on low. Does it have a low? How do you turn this thing on? Oh, hold on. Got it. Okay, that was the first strand. Did I do that right? Why does it look so frizzy? I think I need a closer mirror. Hold on. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be tilted a little bit and hopefully you guys can see it better anyway. Okay, that was weird. I don't know. And first of all, this is on the low setting and it's fucking loud. That's obnoxiously loud. Okay, so not bad, I guess. It's not bad. All right, let me just do the rest of this side first and then I will kind of talk about it a little bit more. I'm actually gonna grab like thicker sections because I feel like my hair is so thin that it's not even doing anything, so, or at least I can't tell. Okay. All right, so I'm done with this side. So far, am I in focus? Please put me in focus. Okay, so far, I do like it. I was really like kind of turned off at first because when I did the first two sections, it was just really frizzy and I don't know, it just looked, it looked like it didn't even do anything, honestly. So, but towards the back of my hair, it looks like it really worked well. I think I just need to grab thicker sections. So that's what I'm going to be doing moving forward. I also like how sleek it makes the bottom of my hair look. It makes it look a lot more healthy. So I'm going to go ahead and do another section. Why can't I take my hair down? Let's see. So I'm grabbing thicker sections. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on.
Better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, drop and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say,
ooh, I kind of like it. Ooh, I probably shouldn't have worn a black shirt, huh? Ooh, I kind of like it. Wow. That was really, really simple. Cool. Okay, last section on this side.
like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Okay, this side is done. Wow. I love it. I will say I'm sweating right now. I am so hot. I think it's because this thing gets so close to your face and it is like a blow dryer, so maybe don't do your makeup before you use this tool. But anyway, so this is what this side looks like. It's really, really sleek, especially the bottom. It recommends you curl at the bottom and hold for at least 2 to 3 seconds, so that's what I did, and I love the outcome. I can achieve this blow drying my hair with a round brush, but it just takes way too long. Essentially, that's kind of what this is, just, I guess, in one tool. So that's really great, and I don't know, I really like it. As for volume, I don't know if I see that much of a difference. I don't know if my hair is that much more volumized. I can't really tell, but yeah, I don't know. I think it still looks good. Maybe I just did it wrong. I'll have to like try again, but anyway, I am loving it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of my head real quick, and then I'll come back and share my final thoughts.
Lately I've been missing you, but I know everything's gonna be alright. Thoughts of me kissing you, that would all lead up to the times we'd fight. Wanna know what's up with you, ever since you left you've been out of sight. Girl, I wanna know the truth, just so I can tell you what's on my mind.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I definitely did not, I didn't separate my hair on this side like I did on this side, because I thought that I could get away with it since it works better with like thicker chunks of hair, but I don't think it's working as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate this part and see how that works out for me. You guys, I'm done. Hold on, let me get up a little bit more. Oh my god, I should have filmed this freaking sitting up this high in the first place. Wow. Anyway, this is my hair using the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer, and I love it. I love it. I do actually now see the volume that it gives my hair. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. That wouldn't be good. Usually when I straighten my hair, when I blow dry my hair, it's pin straight. Pin straight. There's no volume at all. I could definitely see the difference now. I definitely love how it makes the ends of my hair look. It makes it look a lot healthier and smoother overall. And yeah, I just really love the outcome. So I guess I'll start off by saying the pros. I think it's amazing, especially for somebody who has to blow dry their hair and then straighten or curl or whatever. This does the job in one step, literally, which is the purpose of it. I thought that it was going to work better for girls who have curlier hair or thicker hair. I have the complete opposite of that. I have very pin straight, fine Asian hair, and it's very, very thin. So yeah, I was hoping it was gonna work for me, but I was a little bit skeptical about it. But I am happy to say that it definitely does work. I also will say that the price of this, though I didn't buy it with my own money, like I said before, Calvin gifted this to me as a surprise, but it is only $60, I think, which is not bad compared to the other ones on the market. I think the Dry Bar brand has one similar. Dyson has one similar. That one's like, what, $400 or something like that? Maybe even more, sorry. I have to hiccup. I meant burp. So yeah, this is, I don't know, is this considered drugstore? I have no idea, but this is like a fraction of that price. So really, really great. And it does wonders for your hair. I also feel like it makes my hair really silky and shiny looking. When I blow dry my hair, it kind of looks dull. It is really, really simple to use too. Yeah, as for the cons, I will say this thing, even like my first impression of it, it weighs a ton. I have never had a hair tool that is this heavy. Not even my hair dryer is this heavy. So it is a lot. My hand was cramping like halfway through. And yeah, it's just huge. It's huge. I have no idea how people travel with this thing. I mean, I could see if it's like a holy grail product, they'll find a way. I don't know if I would travel with this because I feel like it takes up a lot of space. It will take up a lot of space. It's huge and it's heavy. But yeah, I guess it's not that bad. People usually get ready at their own home anyway. However, I travel back and forth from Boston to New York a lot, and I could see why this would annoy me being so big, but it works so well that I might just justify bringing it with me everywhere. Also, because the top brush thing is so big, it's pretty hard to get in the roots of my head. So it doesn't look too frizzy right now, but I did notice as I was blow drying how frizzy the top of my head was compared to the bottom of my hair. But that's not that big of a deal for me. I do have frizzy hair, but it doesn't bother me as much, and I usually use a serum or something afterwards to fix that. So I guess that could be a con to some people, but I can get over it. So, but just so you guys know. And also, it's kind of common sense. This is a hair dryer, but I was not expecting it to get me this hot. I was sweating, like sweating. I still kind of am, actually. There's a cool setting on this thing, and I did use it. However, I didn't even feel like it was cool at all. I felt like it was just like warm. like the low and high setting are both like at hot, like compared to a hair dryer, it's like your hot setting, and then cool is like your warm. So it wasn't really cooling. I didn't really see the effects of it locking in my hair when I used it, so I just kind of gave up using it halfway through. but I like the results either way. Generally though, I think this is an amazing hair tool. I am going to have to use it a lot more. Like, this is my first impression of it, so it's a good thing it's not a bad first impression, because if it was a bad first impression, then I probably wouldn't ever use it again. I'm just like that when it comes to hair tools. But I'm glad I read the directions, because if I didn't, I would definitely have given up if it didn't look like it was working. Like in the beginning when I did the first 2 strands and I was like, what the fuck is going on? I would have given up. I will say another con, I'm so sorry, but another con is how loud this thing is. Like, shh, why does it have to be so loud? I don't know. Like, this will wake up my whole family. So yeah, it's freaking loud. Like, if you guys, okay, this is the low setting, okay? That's the low setting. That's like the high setting on my hair dryer, like my hair dryer in the bathroom. This is the high setting. So yeah, it's like insane how loud that thing is. However, I will say that I do really like this product, and I think I do recommend it. I don't know if I would recommend it for everyone, because I have very thin hair, and I know a lot of girls who have curly, very thick, coarse hair. They would maybe benefit from this product, but I wouldn't know how well it works for that. But really worked for me. I love it. Can't wait to keep using it. And special shout out to my boyfriend for getting this for me, because I've been wanting it for so long. And I'm so happy I finally have it. But yeah, that is my review on the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I hope you guys liked this review and found it helpful at least. And yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!